Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to customize display and appearance in Microsoft Outlook on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, next step, open your Outlook applications. Now in this page, go to your count icon at the top left in the corner of your phone. And after in this page, you will see here the gear icon, which is settings. Just go ahead and tap on it. In the settings, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll see here the option which is display and appearance. Now go ahead here guys. As you can see here, I use the default. And for the theme, I use the system here guys, which is it will adjusting from the mode or the theme on my phone. But if you want to change it, you have to change it to this two option, which is light or dark. So there are no adjusting again with my mode system. For example, here I'm going to use the light one. And after here for the color, you also can change it. You can pick the colors here at the bottom. For example, I'm going to change it to the purple. So if you want to save it, you just have to go back, I guess. And also here, you can make it a background as an image. At the bottom, we'll see an option which is the image that provided by device. Now, for example, I'm going to change it to this one. And this is the preview, you guys. If you want to use it, you just have to tap on this apply options. And now we go back. It will be look like this. For the background, it will be used an image before. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.